Tall and tan and young and lovely, the girl from Ipanema goes walking, and when she passes, each one she passes goes on. We're going to learn how to play Girl from Ipanema on our ukuleles. This song has been requested time and time again. I posted a little clip of myself playing this last year, and I've gotten so many asks. Please, can you make a video teaching us how to play Girl from Ipanema? I actually did make a video for my patrons. This is a song that they voted for last year. And just recently I realized that our replay video somehow got erased. So I'm re-recording the video. I'm super excited to share it with you here. I want to encourage you to go slow. This is kind of a white whale of a project. It's a beautiful, such a wonderful song to learn on your ukulele, but there are many different stops on our journey. Okay, so stop number 1, we're going to take a look at the chords needed to play this song. Some of them are super friendly beginner chords that you may know already, and some are some beautiful new chords with extensions that you might not have played before. So I'm going to give you a walkthrough of the chords. That's going to be part 1. In part 2, we're going to take a look at bossa nova rhythm. And now before we even apply the chords or try out the song, we have to get that bossa nova rhythm feeling in our bodies. We're going to learn how to feel that, how to count that. We're going to do that with a very simple chord progression. So that's part 2. Part 3 will be the song tutorial. I'll take you through the song. We'll look at the chord progressions. We'll add some lyrics to it. Part 4 is a play along with just the ukulele. So no vocals yet, just the ukulele. And then part 5 will be a full play along video with ukulele and vocals. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Catherine. This is my channel, Ukulele Wine Time. I'm not drinking too much wine these days. I'm rocking some coffee today. So whatever you're sipping, I'm so happy you're here. Strap in. We're going to learn Girl from Ipanema together. Cheers. By the way, if you're new here, hello, my name is Catherine. I have my master's degree in music. I've been teaching kids and adults for over 12 years. I love Brazilian music. It really lights me up. I'm not Brazilian or Portuguese. Maybe in my next lifetime I will be, but I want to, Girl from Ipanema is a wonderful kind of gateway to Brazilian music. So I hope that your excitement for this song, I hope you follow that and explore some more Brazilian music. I'll put a little list below if you want to check out some more Brazilian artists. So please definitely do that. My mission as a music teacher is to give you the tools and resources to think for yourself as a musician. That means coming up with your own strumming patterns, understanding more what you're playing, bringing more ease to learning songs. And I also want to help you be a more creative ukulele player. To do that, we focus on rhythm, a little bit of music theory. I find it so empowering, and my students wholeheartedly agree. So that's a really important ingredient in this whole ukulele learning process. It's part of speaking the language of music. If that sounds like your vibe, I hope you'll subscribe to my channel and join us for this journey of learning how to play Girl from Ipanema. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers! Ukulele wine time!